How to create a Gmail annotation in Moosend. First, click on the link provided in the description below to gain easy access on the tool we'll be using. Once there, log in your account or sign up if you don't already have one. After logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Open your campaign in edit mode. Once you have logged into your Moosend account and accessed your campaign, make sure you are in the edit mode. This will allow you to access all the necessary settings. On the right side of your screen, you will see a pane. Locate and click on the Settings tab within this pane. Within the Settings tab, you will find the option to expand the Gmail annotation section. Click on this section to reveal more options. To enable the Gmail annotation, simply turn on the active switch. You will need to provide some information in order to set up your Gmail annotation properly. Let's go through each field. Please note that enabling this setting does not guarantee that your annotation will always appear in the Gmail Promotion tab. Gmail uses a complicated algorithm to determine when to show annotations. Featured image. Click on Select to upload an image for your annotation. You can choose to upload an image from your computer or directly from various other sources such as Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, and more. Choose an image that best represents your campaign or offer. Logo. Similar to the featured image, click on Select to upload the logo that will appear as the sender's logo. This logo can be uploaded from your computer or from other sources like Facebook or Instagram. Description. Enter a description for your annotation. If you have added a product to your design and selected it to be used for the Gmail Promotions tab, the description will be auto-filled with the product's title. Make sure the description effectively represents your offer. Discount code. If applicable, enter the discount code that corresponds to your offer. This will be visible in the annotation. Expiration date. Set an expiration date for the offer in your annotation. To ensure your Gmail annotation looks as intended, you can preview it within Moosend. Simply follow these steps. In the top menu, click on the Preview Mode icon. Below that, click on Google to preview your annotation specifically for Gmail.